Hi, and welcome to the Keurig K150 Single Cup Commercial Brewing System. The system is fully programmable, allowing you to set the time, brew temperature, preferred brew size, auto on and off times, and more. These features can independently be set through the menu mode. To enter menu mode, ensure the brewer is turned off. Touch and hold the LCD screen for about 10 seconds while simultaneously pressing and releasing the power switch. Once the menu screen appears, you can select any feature to program. Let's start with setting the clock. If your brewer is new or the power to your brewer has been interrupted, the clock will be disabled. Simply press the disabled button and you can set the time. Use H to set the hours and M to set the minutes. You can use consecutive taps or press and hold to scroll quickly. When the time is set, press OK. You can also set the available brew sizes to customize your daily brewing experience. Press Brew Size, and you'll see the sizes that are currently enabled. Tap a brew size icon to disable it. Tap it again to enable. Once you have set your desired brew sizes, press OK. Now, when you're ready to brew your favorite beverage, your preferred brew sizes will automatically appear on the screen. The brewer has a default brew temperature of 193 degrees Fahrenheit. You can adjust it higher or lower within 5 degrees. From the menu mode, press Brew Temp, then use the plus or minus symbols to adjust the temperature. Once you have reached the desired temperature, press OK. The brewer also features an energy-saving mode. The auto-off feature will automatically turn the brewer off 2 hours after the last brew. To enable this feature, ensure the clock is set. Press auto-off. Then press on. Press OK, and this feature is now set. To disable, press off. Confirm by pressing OK. You can also program your brewer to turn on or off at a specific time. Ensure the clock is set to the correct time. Then press On/Off Time. To set the on time, press Disabled. Use H to set the hours and M to set the minutes. Follow the same steps to set the off time. Finish by pressing OK. The K150 Brewer allows you to set the language to English, French, or Spanish. Simply press the language button. Select your desired language and press OK. You can customize the contact information so users know where to go for brewer support. From the menu mode, press the Contact button. To change the contact information, press the top box. Use the keypad to edit the information. When you are done, press OK, and the new information will be displayed for users. Programming your brewer's features allows you to further customize your brewing experience. Thank you for joining us. For more information on your Keurig K150 Single Cup Commercial Brewing System, please contact your Keurig authorized distributor.